In this quick guide, I'll show you how to conduct a product pricing analysis with JungleScout, one of the most powerful tools for Amazon sellers to analyze and understand product pricing. Whether you're new to the software or just looking for a better way to optimize your pricing strategy, this video will guide you through the process step by step. Stick around till the end because I'll also tell you how to get a free extended trial of JungleScout so you can start using these strategies right away. JungleScout makes it incredibly easy to analyze competitor pricing and trends within the Amazon marketplace. First, let's talk about the key feature you'll use, product database. This is where you can filter through thousands of products based on categories, sales volume, price range, and other key metrics that matter to your business. Once you're inside the product database, you'll want to start by narrowing down your search using filters. For product pricing analysis, focus on the price range filter to ensure you're comparing products that are within the same ballpark. You don't want to compare a $10 product to a $100 one, right? By setting the right filters, you can really zero in on products that are comparable to yours. Next, use the average price column to quickly get a sense of what your competitors are pricing their products at. But don't stop there. Take a look at the sales rank, reviews, and estimated monthly sales figures for each product. This will give you a more complete picture of whether their pricing is affecting their sales. JungleScout's data is driven by real-time Amazon sales, so you can rely on these numbers to make informed decisions. Another thing you can do is check out the product tracker feature. This allows you to track the price history of any product over time. It's essential to understand how a product's price has fluctuated, because this can give you insight into market trends. You can then use that historical pricing data to decide when to raise or lower your prices. Another feature that makes JungleScout great for pricing analysis is its ability to calculate profitability. By using the Profit Calculator tool, you can input your product cost, shipping fees, and other relevant details to figure out your potential profit margins based on current pricing. This tool is invaluable because it helps you figure out whether you're pricing your product too high or too low relative to your competitors while still maintaining profitability. To really master pricing with JungleScout, it's also crucial to monitor competitor products over time. Set up alerts for specific competitors or keywords, and JungleScout will notify you of any price changes. Staying on top of pricing shifts is crucial because Amazon prices change frequently. With JungleScout, you'll always have the latest data at your fingertips. And here's the best part. You can start using JungleScout completely for free through the link in the description below. This exclusive bonus will give you access to JungleScout's powerful tools, including everything I've just covered, so you can get started on your product pricing analysis today. As you can see, JungleScout is more than just a tool. It's a game changer for anyone looking to sell successfully on Amazon. It helps you track competitors, analyze pricing trends, and optimize your product pricing strategy. Don't forget, I've got an exclusive and extended free trial waiting for you, so you can start conducting your own product pricing analysis with JungleScout right now. Go ahead and click that first link below to get started today.